Bernie's going. Well, I guess we put it in the back. Yeah. I'm just gonna put it in the back seat.
You're gonna take your damn thing out too.
Oh, you know what? Good.
Here's a question: can we hook a trailer up to the four-wheeler so we can put a bunch of wood on the trailer? Because how are we getting the wood back there?
Well, what I thought is
we the roof of your car.
put it in here and get it to where you go in, and then we just carry it in. It's gonna suck, but
You're gonna have to make a lot of trips, and it's gonna be.
well, not a lot. If we build it here, build a ladder and everything here in two pieces, because we only got 8-foot boards. So, and then when we get out there, we just screw the two ladder pieces together. Now you got a 16-foot ladder, and then the stand is just a matter of. But if you want to put sides on it and all that shit, that's going to take a while.
Well,
But we got to put ours together, and I don't know how hard that is. So
maybe we just do ours.
What I
go
thought
out
maybe
there,
you,
walk yours, and then we'll see how far it is.
well, either way, we got to build it.
Right.
Whether we,
Right. Absolutely.
no matter what tree we put in it.
Yeah.
So I thought maybe you and Mike will put one of those together now.
Yeah.
Him and I will work on building the ladder, getting all that ready, and then see how hard it is to put yours together.
Yeah.
And if it goes right together, then we'll build mine and bring them all out there. If that's a nightmare to do,
Yeah.
I won't even fuck with mine today. I'll do it next weekend or something.
So I put this together with just the 2 wrenches that come in the box. It wasn't by choice, but I couldn't find the tools after they took off on the 4-wheeler to go scout the area they wanted to put their gear stands at. All right, so got the tree stand all set up. Don't have it at the spot where we're going to put it, but we just set it up to check it out. Very comfortable. Got up in there and tested it out, sat in it for a while. Very sturdy, and don't have no problem. I don't think we'll have any problem sitting up there most of the day. All I got to do is put the other parts of the ladder on a four-wheeler and we'll take it out and set it up.